Take a moment to arrive. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to feel calm. Just notice that you're here. Let your feet connect to the ground beneath you. Let your breath move naturally. No control, no fixing. Gently begin by noticing something outside of you. Maybe it's a sound in the room or a light on the wall. Maybe the temperature of the air or a color nearby. You're not analyzing it. You're just letting your eyes or your ears rest on it. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just come back to one simple external detail. This tells your nervous system, I'm here. I'm oriented. I'm safe enough to notice. Now, slowly bring your attention inward and notice your breath, the weight of your body, any sensation that stands out. You're not labeling it as good or bad, just noticing what's present. If a sensation feels uncomfortable, remind yourself, I don't need to do anything with this. Noticing is enough. Now, we're going to gently connect the two. Notice something external again, a sound, a movement, a shift in light. And then notice what happens inside your body when you notice it. Maybe nothing changes. Maybe something subtle does. There's no right response. You're simply learning, I can notice the world and notice myself without reacting. Now, here's the most important part. Say quietly to yourself, noticing does not require a response. Let that land. Notice how your body responds to that sentence. If there's relief, that's information. If there's tension, that's information too. Nothing needs to change. Take one more slow breath. Notice where you feel the ground supporting you. Notice that you stayed present the whole time. This is how trust is rebuilt, not through action, but through safe awareness. When you're ready, gently return to your day.